Welcome back to Cause 3D this week, and I'm not doing a build video today, so I apologize. But let's get into it. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Make sure that you hit that like button down below, subscribe, leave a comment, because it's those things that help support this channel for free and let us do more content for you. So it's been a crazy busy week. I've got two kids going back to school, getting ready to move one back, got one in college, getting ready to move one to college for her first year. And it has been a crazy week. But I thought instead of not posting a video this week, I would do this. I would share some of the projects that I'm working on right now. And I have to say the project that I'm working on right now for Philip is a Mandalorian Maul helmet. And I'll link the Etsy files in the description. This thing is super cool and I am enjoying this build, but it's a matter of finding the time to work on it. If you see us at Comic-Con, PopCon, GalaxyCons, which we have a GalaxyCon in St. Louis coming up in October of this year, this is 2025, and we throw out these thermal detonators. Now, I'm doing a huge run of them right now. We don't sell them on the Etsy store, of course. We take those to cons and we sell them there. I've got a huge run of these going right now. I love building these thermal detonators. They're a lot of work to get them, super shiny the way that we do them, that we spray our spastics on. I have a video coming up on this. We're going to invite the Seth and Connor from Beyond the Dune Sea into the shop. They've been here before, we've hung out, and we're gonna do a couple builds on thermal detonators. But I wanted to share with you that on the thermal detonators that we have, I've got, so our models, there's a model on Thingiverse. Our models are our models that we sell, but the model on Thingiverse is similar. And I have a couple of jigs that I have built, and we're gonna make these available to you guys for free if you wanna download them. And I print them out of TPU, I run a bolt through them, and it exponentially speeds up the sanding process. And they just snap in here nice and tight, and you can run your sandpaper over them while you're spinning them on your drill. But we're gonna have those available here pretty soon. If I don't have them up at the time that you watch these videos, shoot us an email at cause3dprinting.com. and I'm more than happy to send you the files. I print them out of TPU so they have a little bit of a flex to them, and you just take your sandpaper, obviously not sandpaper, and you can sand them down, polish them up. If you decide to do rub and buff, it makes that process so much faster. But anyway, we're gonna have that build video coming up with Seth and Connor from Beyond the Dune Sea. So stay tuned for that. And a couple other things that I'm working on, of course, I built a dark helmet from the Galactic Armory here a while back. I'll link a description up here. And now they have released Spaceballs, the gun. So I am currently in the process. I do not have it glued together yet, but we are going to finish up one of these rifles from the movie Spaceballs. And I'm super excited to start this, and it's going to be kind of fun. You may see over here, this is a Director Krennic blaster. I'm making this one for Jake as I said, our October GalaxyCon that we have coming up. He is going to dress as Director Krennic this year, so he wrote me into, hey, I need a blaster. I'm like, yeah, because I got time to do that, but we'll make it happen. But the other cool project that I have right now that I'm excited to do, I had some leftover filament. It's kind of some crap filament in my opinion. I don't like printing with it because of the colors and stuff of it, but you'll see. But I ended up, because we're on the Spaceballs kick right now, we now have the Spaceballs Trooper helmet that we're working on from the Galactic Armory as well. Again, I will link files in the description. A little problem with printing. I did print this upside down with supports, and the supports just didn't overly work out well. But that's okay, because that's an easy fix for me. Hopefully, we'll have all these build videos in the upcoming months if I can just get back to not being so busy. But hey, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button for us. We really appreciate it. I know today wasn't a super exciting build video. This is all the time that I have this week. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.